Stay Grubio Namaga children. Today we are going to see arithmetic progress in exercise 5.3. Eleventh question. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. What is the first term? The first term is represent S1. Okay, that is S1. What is the sum of the first two terms? It means S2. Okay. And what is the second term? What is the second term means? A2. A2. Similarly, find the third, the 10th and the nth terms. Okay. So here Sn is given. What is given? Sn equal to 4n minus n square. First we are going to find the first term. Okay. So first term is represent A equal to S1. Sum of the first term. Okay. What is the first term? That is S1 they said. So A equal to S1. Sum of the first terms. Both are equal only. Equal to 4 into, here n is 1. Okay. Substitute here 1 minus 1 square. So 4 into 1, 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So therefore, first term equal to 3. Okay. And next we need to find out the sum of the first two terms. It means S2 we need to find out. So here n equal to 2, you just take it. N equal to 2. It means S2 equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square 4. 8 minus 4, 4. So therefore S2 equal to S2 equal to 4. Okay. So sum of the first two term is 4 we found it. Okay. Next we need to find out the second term. Okay. Second term means A2. But we know that An equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Here which term we need to find out? The second term. So A2 equal to S2 minus S2 minus 1, whatever get children, S1. So what is the S2 value? Sum of the first two term is 4 minus, what is the S1 value? S1 first you find it, no? What is the S1? 3. So substitute here 4 minus 3 will get 1. So A2 equal to 1. So this is second term. Okay. Next we need to find out the third term. Okay. So third term. Next we are going to find third term. So first you find S3 equal to, S3 equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 square. So 4 3s are 12 minus 3 square 9. 12 minus 9, 3. So S3 equal to 3. Okay. So A3 equal to S3 minus S2. Here you substitute the value S33 minus S2. S2 value 4. So 3 minus 4 minus 1. So the third term is minus 1. So the third term is minus 1. Okay. So we know that first term, second term and third term. Therefore the sequence is 3, 1, minus 1. Okay. From this sequence we can able to find A and D value. D is common difference. A is the first term. So A equal to 3 and D equal to A2 minus A1. So 1 minus 3 will get minus 2. So common difference is minus 2. Okay. So we found that first term, sum of the first two terms and third term also we found it. And remaining we need to find out 10th term and the nth term. Okay. So A10 we are going to find 10th term equal to A plus 9D. Okay. So in this you substitute A and D value 3 plus 9 into minus 2. Three plus into minus, minus 9 twos are 18. So 3 minus 18 you get minus 15. So A10 equal to minus 15. Next we are going to find nth term. So An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here you substitute the A value 3 plus n minus 1 into, what is the D value? Minus 2. So 3 plus, multiply this, minus 2 into n, minus 2n, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. So 3 plus into minus, minus 2n, plus into plus, plus 2. So 3 plus 2, what you will get, children? 5. 5 minus 2n. So the nth term is, An is 5 minus 2n. Do you understand, children? See the next one. Find the sum of the, this is question number 12. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Okay. First you write the sequence. The positive integers that are divisible by 6 or 6, 12, 18, etc. Okay. So this is an AP. From this we can find A and common difference. So here A equal to 6, D equal to 6. Because 12 minus 6 you get 6 only. The common difference is 6. Okay. So we are going to find S40. S40. Sum of 40 positive integers. We know that Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. And this is substitute here. S40 we are going to find. So n is 40. 40 by 2 into 2 into the value of a is 6 plus 40 minus 1 into 6. So 40 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 20 twos are 40. So 20 into 2 6 are 12 plus 40 minus 1, 39 into 6. 20 into 12 plus 6 nines are 54, 4 remaining 5, 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 5, 23. 20 into, now you add this, 2 plus 4, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, 2, 246. Multiply with the 20, 0 just you write it, just multiply by 2, 2 6 are 12, so 2 remaining 1, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 2s are 4. So S40 equal to, what is the answer? 4920. You understand, children? See the next one. Question number 13. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. 15 multiples of 8. The sum of the first 15 means S15 we are going to find. Okay. So the multiples of 8 are, the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, etc. Okay. From this you can find A equal to 8 and D equal to 8. So which one you are going to find? S15. First you write the formula. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here S15 we are going to find. N is 15. So 15 by 2 into 2 into A value 8 plus 15 minus 1 into 8. So 15 by 2, 2 8s are 16 plus 15 minus 1, what children? 14 into 8. Fifteen by 2, 16 plus 8 4s are 32, 2 remaining 3, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 15 by 2 into, now you add this 16 plus 112, 2 plus 6, 8, 1 plus 1, 2, 1. So 128. Now divide this, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now multiply this, 15 into 64. 4 5s are 20, 0 remaining 2, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 5s are 30, 0 remaining 3, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 3, 9. 0, 6, 9. So what is the answer? 960. So S15 equal to 960. You understand, children? See the next one. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Okay. First you write the odd numbers, children. The odd numbers between 0 and 50 are 1, 3, 5, etc. 49. Okay. So first we need to find out the n, because sum of the odd numbers. So between how many odd numbers are there? First we need to find out. Okay. After that, the sum of the odd numbers we are going to find. Okay. So you know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. From this sequence we can able to find a value, a equal to 1, d equal to 3 minus 1, what you will get, children? 2. And then here last term is given, L equal to 49. Okay, so that L equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is represent L. Okay, so the last term is 49. Here you substitute here 49 equal to here a 1 plus n minus 1 into d value 2. So 49 equal to 1 plus, just multiply this, 2n minus 2. (49) equal to 1 plus 2n minus 2. Okay. So here plus 1 minus 2. What you will get, children? Minus 1 plus 2n equal to 49. So 49, the minus 1 will change plus 1, because subtraction will change other side, addition, equal to 2n. So 49 plus 1, what you will get, children? 50. Okay. So 2n equal to 50, n equal to 50 by 2. Simplify this, 25 2s are 50. So n equal to 25. Okay. Next we are going to find sum of the odd numbers. Here sum of the 25 terms we are going to find. So S25 equal to n by 2 into a plus l, because we know the last term, so you can use this formula. So S25 equal to n by 2 into a plus l. In this you substitute the value, children. Here n is 25, 25 by 2 into a value. What is the a value, children? 1 plus l value 49. So 25 by 2 into 1 plus 49, 50. 2 ones are 2 into 25, you get 50. Now 25 into 25, what you will get, children? 625. So therefore S25 equal to 625. Do you understand, children? Thank you, children.